Morning, sir. My name is Amol Ashok and today date is 14 September 2021. And today's video topic is SQL and SQL queries. So first of all, what is meant by the SQL? So SQL is a structured query language, and it is totally depend on the query language. So it is perform the MySQL software. So MySQL is used to perform the SQL query. So SQL is the basically used in the data is stored in the table and row format, and easily can be handled and manipulated to easily this data access. So using the helps of the queries. So basically five types in the query. So five types in the query five types in the query. So first one is the uh, DDL, second one is the DML, third one is the DCL, fourth one is the TCL, and last one is the DKL. So first of all, the DDL. So what is meant by the DDL? DDL is the data definition language. So it is used to the four type command can be used. So first one is the delete, alter, truncate and drop can be used the DDL. So first of all, create command. So create command is used to create the table, create the database. It can be used. The second one is the drop. So drop is used to remove the table data, remove the all table. So used to the drop command. Third one is the alter. So alter is used to the alter is used to the to alter the table data. So using the alter command. And last one is the truncate. So truncate is used to remove the table and column data. So used to the truncate command. So difference between truncate and drop. So drop is used to remove the all table, and truncate is used to remove the table inside the table and column inside the data. So these are the four command can be inside the use the DDL. So second one is the DML. So DML is a data manipulating language. So it is used to the easily access and handle the table and column data. So first of one DML command is the delete, second one is the insert, third one is the uh, third one is the update, third one is the update, and last one third one is update, the further alter. So etc command can be using the DML. So first of all so first of all delete insert command. So insert command is used to insert the data inside the table. So use the insert command. So insert is the suppose the suppose the any table name is a student, and filling the data inside the student table. So table. So first one, so using the insert command. Uh, so so insert into uh, insert into column name, all column name, and put it inside the data, employee data, student data. So using the insert command. Second one is the delete command. So delete command is used to delete the column data, column and table data. So using the delete command. And last third one is the update. So update is used to the update the data, any new data update. So using the update. So update can be using. Third one is the DQL. The third one DCL. So DCL inside the command used in grant and revoke. It is performing the SQL table and rows operation. And third one is the fourth one is the DQL. DQL is the data query language. It is used to the select command can be used, and select command can be used the select the all table and data seen, so using the select command. So written by the query in all data or employee, so using the select command. So select command, for example of select star from table name, so seen the all data of table and column. So there are using the five command can be used to the SQL, and it is used to the performing the various operation of the SQL. So thank you, sir.